Hey, what's up guys, it's me How to Tech back with another video guys here. So today on this video I'm going to go and show you guys how to install the latest Android 8.1 Oreo on your Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. So this will only work as of now for G530H model of the Grand Prime with the XCU and XXU variant. So first of all, you need to be rooted and have TWRP recovery installed. So I'm going to give you the link to install those both on the description. So after you confirm that you've installed the TWRP recovery, you need to check your variant and your model number. So to check that, you need to go to settings, scroll to about device, click on the software info, and from here you can check your baseband version. Make sure that, let me focus here, so make sure that your baseband version starts with G530H and also ends with either the XCU, XCS, XXU or XXS variants here. So after you check that both of those variants are actually supported, also I'm going to give you the link to the baseband that are actually going to work here, so you can check out the description as well. So after you check your variant and your model up, you need to go to the third link I'm going to give you in the description. From there you can download the ROM itself. So the link should take you to this XDA thread. From here you can learn a lot about the software itself, the ROM and everything. The ROM name is LineageOS. You can scroll down and from here you can see all the working and not working things. So before anything, I'm going to tell you that this is not a stable ROM already. This is still on development, so many things are not working. For example, as of the second version of this ROM, the camera and the torchlight is not working. As you can see, the camera and torchlight doesn't work, but however, as you can see, these things are working. For example, Wi-Fi, hotspot, Bluetooth, SIM cards, so on and so forth. So here should be the download links for the G530H only. If your variant is XCU or XCS, you can download the XCU version 1, and also the bug fixes and Google Apps. But if you're running the XXU or XXS variant, you can download these guys as well. So I only have the G530H variant, so I need to download the XCU one. So after you complete your download thing, you need to go to your recovery mode. So it's pretty easy to do. What you'll need to do is press the power button, power off your phone, and give it a moment. Or here you need to press the power button and the volume up and home button at the same time. So do like this. You need to press on the same time, all of them. Give it a time. And as you can see, you should see the recovery is not SE Android text. So I'll give it a little time to focus. There you go. I'm on the TWRP home screen. So first of all, I recommend every one of you to back up your current ROM. So in case if you mess up the process, you can easily click on the restore and then restore back your system. So I already make my backup, so I don't need to back up it again. Click on the wipe, and then click on the advanced wipe. Let me show you here. My camera is no longer, today it's not focusing very well. Advanced wipe, and on these checks here, you need to press on the Dalvik, system, cache, and data. Make sure these four are only checked. You don't need to check. These two options are optional if you want to format them. I don't want to format them for now. So afterward, go ahead and swipe. And as you can see, these guys will format it up. So you don't have any system remaining on here. Click on the home again, and now we're going to install the system, the Android 8.1 itself for now. Click on the install and locate to where you copied and downloaded the files. As you can see, you should be seeing these two files. Wait, give it a little time to focus. Come on, here you go. You should see these two files, LOS 15.1 step 1 and step 2. You need to, first of all, you need to flash the first one, the step 1. Click on that and swipe to start flashing the ROM. And now it's flashing the actual Android 8.1 Oreo. It's gonna take somewhere around 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a little time. And I will be right back after the installation process is completed. So as you can see, my installation has completed right now. Now it's actually rooting my phone. As you can see, it says rooting your ROM. It's kind of right now installing the Super SU. Give it a little time. It shouldn't take more than 1 minute. So now your ROM has been successfully installed and successfully rooted. Now this is not only the last step. You need to know and flash the second step, which will install the Google apps and many other fixes, like for example the rotation fix, bug, and many other bug fixes. Click on there and swipe, and now it's gonna install the Google apps and also the bug fixes. As you can see, let me zoom it up. So here you go, it's completed. Now all you need to do is just reboot your phone, and now you should finally see the latest Android 8.1 installed on your phone. The first initial boot will take somewhere around 3 to 5 minutes, so give it a little time, be patient on this. So let me show you the boot animation of the ROM. Here you can see the ROM is now booting. It's gonna, as I've said, so it's gonna take somewhere around 3 to 5 minutes. So let it take the time and leave your phone like this until the phone finally boots up. And I will be right back after my phone finally boots up. So here's the phone finally booted up. As you can see, here's the startup screen. Click on next. Select your language. Set your time area if you want to. Click on next, and here you can select your Wi-Fi. That's because there's a Wi-Fi actually working pretty well, but I'm not going to do it for now. The location service, click on this, next, and if you want to enable some security options, you can click on setup, but I'm not going to do it for now, so I'm going to skip it. And here's the ROM finally booted up and it's finally installed on your Grand Prime. So let's see the Android version here to show you guys that it is actually the real Android 8.1 Oreo. Let's go to the About Device, System, and About Device. And here is the Android 8.1 Oreo with the G530H being the model. And this is the LineageOS 15.1 running on the XEU variant of the Grand Prime G530H. So let me show you the Easter egg of the Android 8.1. You guys can immediately recognize it. Here's the Android Oreo, and now everything's working here. As I say, the SIM card, so on and so forth. The Wi-Fi is, as I mentioned, is working as well. Here's the Wi-Fi is working, mobile network, hotspot, SIM card, airplane mode, so on and so forth. So anyway, here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.